How can mold occur? Intrusion of water into your home or place of business can result in mold growth. When water intrusions aren't addressed quickly, the resulting damage can present increased risk of harmful mold growth. Organic materials found inside a building such as wood, paper, drywall, and insulation provide food sources for mold to flourish. SERVPRO professionals handle water damages every day, and no prompt action is required to prevent mold growth. If there is an ongoing moisture problem in the building, it is important to be alert for the presence of visible mold, strong musty odors, which may indicate that mold is present, any evidence of past moisture problems that might have caused undetected mold growth, excessive humidity. Why SERVPRO of Panthersville? SERVPRO of Panthersville technicians care about proper restoration of your structure. We are trained in mold remediation and can examine any structure for visible signs of mold. We can promptly have your structure tested by a qualified indoor air quality professional to verify that mold exists. In most water damage situations, excessive mold is not a problem for us. We can safely restore your building.